So it's coming down pretty hard. Can't really see it on the camera, but I guess it's quite a bit of snow. Oh, there it goes. If you can see this at all.